Closing arguments are done, and the jury will soon be deliberating the fate of Bill Cosby.
Cosby's defense team rested its case this morning after bringing a single witness to the stand. Julie Grantsman following the sex assault trial and has more. Julie.
Christine and Ken, it came as a surprise to many people when the defense rested its case after only 6 minutes of testimony from a witness that was already called by the prosecution.
For the first time in Bill Cosby's aggravated indecent assault trial, the comedian's wife, Camille, accompanied him to court. She was all smiles as she escorted him into the Montgomery County Courthouse for day number 6 of his trial. Although the defense does not have to present any evidence, some thought the case they may present would be more than one detective that the prosecution called last week. Although Cosby's publicist Andrew Wyatt made some suggestions to the media that Cosby may testify, he chose not to. In closing arguments, his lead attorney Brian McMonigal attacked Andrea Constand's credibility, citing the fact that she told police the assault happened on different dates. McMonigal said, quote, she would remember the next day and every day if there was a sexual assault. He also cited the fact that Constand initially told detectives her contact with the comedian after the alleged assault was rare and brief, yet there were 72 phone calls between them. McMonigal reminded the jury that in 2005, the Montgomery County DA's office declined to bring charges and, quote, put this case in a trash can. DA Kevin Steele gave the Commonwealth's closing arguments, citing Cosby's alleged words to Constand right off the bat, quote, 3 friends to make you relax, referring to the 3 blue pills Cosby allegedly gave Constand that left her incapacitated. Steele said defense counsel's suggestions that the two had a romantic, consensual sexual encounter is untrue, saying, quote, you should be insulted by that. Steele said this case is like many other sexual assault cases, except there is more evidence because of Cosby's own words. Steele told the jury a woman has a right to say no, and by giving her those pills, Cosby took her right away.
Right now, the judge is giving the jury instructions on this case before they go to deliberate. Each of these charges carries a maximum penalty of 10 years in prison. So the potential maximum that Bill Cosby could face if convicted would be 30 years in prison. Aggravated indecent assault is also a charge that would require Cosby to register as a sex offender if he's convicted. Live in the studio, I'm Julie Grant, KDKA-TV News.